Here we come to the elevators at the City of Tucson building, Pima County.
Pima County Public Works.
Pima County Public Works building. This is Montgomery Vector. Modern chime. You can hear the older chime inside, a little bit under level. Let's go up to 9. And the door closes when you push the button. Let's watch the indicator.
VFD.
Yeah, VFD.
No chime on this one.
No, or broken floor passing bell.
Yeah, it has an analog bell usually, but you know.
I think I heard one though, but here we are. Here we come to 9. LED vector button.
Original chimes.
Red lantern. Which floor?
L.
Let's go down to basement. Call cancel, fire service, door open, controls, locked vector cabinet, VFD. Capacity is down here at 2,500 pounds. Have a good day, ma'am.
You too. Look, you can see the annunciator. You can see the annunciator panel.
Yep, there's the Montgomery annunciator. And I wonder if we can get one that actually has a floor passing.
Let's send it. Yeah, let's go down to the basement and send one up.
We'll send this one up a couple floors. Maybe we can send it up to like set 6. Let's send this one up. Incandescent Montgomery Vector indicator. This time it's level, but here goes this one.
Now this one this time.
Well, let's go up to 9. We might have a floor passing time. I don't know.
I love the indicator.
Yep, this one VFD's down lower.
Yep.
Yep. It's up there. Somewhere back there. Let's get a cab view real fast. Installed in the 80s or early 90s. Blue sensors. Infrared sensors. Let's go down to lobby. Door closes when you push the button.
You don't have relays.
Yeah, these are definitely, this is probably from the 80s. Vacuum fluorescent display.
Floor bell is over here.
It's actually visible.
Now you can hear it from right here.
It's really quiet.
Yeah. Here we are. Lobby.
I think it's on the car top. LED lantern, modern, innovation. Here goes this one. And here's a call station. Very nice call station. These are awesome elevators. Anyways, there's this one is these all have single speed doors. Anyways, that's it.